Hey guys, welcome back. Casey Kepley here with DIY Digital Marketing. In today's video, we're going to be covering Udemy solo ads. I'm going to show you my Udemy solo ads results and also show you how it is a quick and faster way to drive high quality traffic to your website. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, and I'll give you future updates on software that I'm using, platform tools for building websites and stuff like that, so that you can get a better idea of how you can build your passive income up and build a business around digital marketing. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next portion of this video. Alright guys, so we're here on the Udemy website. So if you go to udemy.com, I'll leave a link in the description of the video below here. You can go sign up for an account and it's completely free. Okay, now Udemy is a little bit different from Facebook ads and Google AdWords and other ad platforms. Okay, what you're doing here is you're getting a quick start, and you're going to be getting traffic to your website by paying for it. It's you're still going to have to do that with Facebook and Google AdWords, but this one's a little bit different because Udemy is more cost efficient. If you've run Facebook ads before, you'll know that basically it comes down to ad copy, and you have to be very careful with Facebook because a lot of times you can get banned, you can get kicked off Facebook because your ads are promoting like affiliate products. They don't like that too much, so you have to be very careful with some of these different platforms and how you promote your products. With Udemy, you don't even have to worry about that. Okay, so that allows you more control over the ads that you're running. You don't have to worry about being banned or kicked off and then having to go back, at a later date and create a whole new account. That's not fun. I've done it before. So you're getting off to a better start with Udemy because you're avoiding those issues. Now this is my profile, and the easiest way to do this is basically you're going to go to Find Sellers. Okay, so you're going to click on Find Sellers here, and when you find sellers, it's going to give you a whole slew of different people that you can choose from that will basically promote your ad. Now what you're doing here when you go to one of these sellers is you're buying their traffic. You're buying their leads lists that they already have, and it allows you to get some clicks and get some conversions for sales. Now it's a little bit better because with Facebook and Google AdWords, see, a lot of the problems with affiliate marketing and trying to run ads is that you need to build trust, right, with your people, because if you don't have any trust, nobody's going to buy from you. So this is a way to actually kind of skip that whole step, because you're going through somebody who already has a list of people who trust that person. And what you're able to do is hand over your ad to that person. That ad is going to be displayed to his traffic, and therefore his traffic trusts him, so they're going to be more prone to clicking on an ad and then seeing what it's all about. Now I've run my first ad, but what you want to do when you run your ad, or before you do that, is you want to go to Find Sellers, and you want to look up here, because this is what you're going to be paying for cost per click, is say 59 cents. His sales is at 42%, so people are actually making sales with him, which is good. That's another thing you want to look for. The higher the number on here, the better. And then look at their likes, right? So the more likes they have, more than likely you're going with a good source. Now one thing to be aware of though with solo ads here, guys, is that it's not guaranteed that you're going to make any sales. Okay, so I ran my first ad. It lasted approximately 100 hours, and I didn't make any sales on my first ad. Now that's on me. I don't know what I did wrong there. It may have been the ad copy. It may have been the seller that I went with. Who knows? But I did build a leads list with the solo ads, which is really good because now I can go back to that leads list, and I'll show you the leads list here that I built. And this is a platform called Aweber. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well, so you can go create an account with Aweber. But this is good for building a leads list. And what I did is I attached my leads list from Aweber, integrated that into my landing page, and so I was able to see like what people were doing um, on my landing page and how many subscribers I was actually able to get from that ad. So I just created a list called ClickBank here, and this was on my first ad with Udemy, and you can see I have a total of 75 subscribers, right? Now, there's other ways to track the users that are coming into your solo ad. I'm not going to get into those in this video because I'm going to save that for a later video, but you can use something called ClickMagick for that. But as you can see, it does work. Solo Ads gave me 75 subscribers. And the cool thing about it, these 75 subscribers are mine now, so I can go in when I want to promote, like say a different product around the niche that I was going for. I can blast out, like a broadcasted message like what you're seeing down here, and I can hit up those 75 subscribers. And as you can see, some of them are opening the emails. And so it's just, right now I'm kind of in the experiment phase with it, but I wanted to shoot a video on it and show you that it actually does work and you can generate traffic pretty fast. So going back to my solos, so if I click on this ad here, you can see my first ad, I had 385 delivered visitors. I ordered 350, so this guy actually over delivered for me, which was good. 34 of them were useless. There was 34 that were filtered. So total there was 453, and I got 385. So it's not bad. This ad cost me about $179, and I was able to capture 75 leads from that. And those 75 leads are not going away. Those are mine for as long as I've got them set up here in Aweber. I can go back out and blast another email to them, follow up with them, present new products to them in the future, and try to basically increase my potential for making sales. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with solo ads. The only thing that I would tell you is to be careful with scammers on this site, because there are several scammers. You want to definitely look at some of the stuff that I just showed you, and reach out to some of these people too. There's a list of questions that you can ask them, and if you want to know those questions, just leave a comment in the video below and ask me for the questions to ask these people, and I'll send that to you in an email, okay? But that's all I have for this video. If you like what you've seen here, hit the like button. That would greatly help me out, and I greatly appreciate it. But other than that, I'll be shooting more videos here moving forward on Aweber, and let me know what you guys want me to cover, okay? Because I'll shoot videos on that as well. But that's all I have. Take care, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you.